The forest night frog, Nyctibatrachus sylvaticus, is a species of frog in the Nyctibatrachidae family endemic to India. Its natural habitats are tropical moist lowland forests and rivers. Taxonomy. This species was discovered by C.R. Narayan Rao in 1937, and was thought to have been extinct after remaining unsighted for 74 years. Its rediscovery in 2011 coincided with the discovery of Nyctibatrachus pucha and others of the genus Nyctibatrachus by herpetologist Satyabhama Das Biju, S. D. Dutta, S. and Inga, R. 2004. Nyctibatrachus sylvaticus. 2006 IUCN Red List of Threatened Species. Downloaded on 23 July 2007.